got Bean Shooter, the one and only.
Let's go.
We out here, local Colombian vibes. You know the vibes. My boy Piloto.
Yes, man. You're blessing, eh? You're blessing, eh?
We're trying to see a local club. The police out here. This place was lit, but there's a big fight, so the police shut it down.
Hey! Hey!
Alright, you guys, we lit local club. We found a place that wasn't shut down by the police. It was a lit local club. We had a great time, partied for a little bit. It was cool local vibes, cheap drinks. I was still on crutches from the bull running problem. Check out my other videos if you haven't seen that yet. Encontré una buena discoteca en San Francisco y yo estaba celebrando mi cumpleaños un poquito allá. This is celebrating my birthday. I went out with Bean Shooter, hit the local club, and afterwards, when stuff was starting to die down, we hit this backyard party. You have to go through a tiny little hall. They check you, and then you have to slide down a tiny little hall where you get to this huge backyard where they have all these people partying and selling drinks. A really unique Cartagena kind of experience. Acá yo estaba celebrando mi cumpleaños con los amigos míos allá en Cartagena. Después de la discoteca yo fui para el patio, bien divertido. Esa es como una experiencia muy de Cartagena, creo yo. Y la vibra allá son muy buenas, siempre. Early morning, me, Johnny, and Bean Shooter, we got a Lamborghini boat and had a crazy celebration for my birthday. They don't drink, but they got beers and bottles. We had a couple of girls on the boat. My boy Piloto just having an absolutely great time. So shout out to Johnny, Bart, and Bean Shooter for making sure I had a great birthday. You guys know the vibes. We're here at the islands. It's lit, beautiful, blue water.